The fight against mega corruption could go a notch higher if a bill seeking to hold responsible those who shield looters of public resources becomes law. The Proceeds of Crime and Anti-Money Laundering Amendment Bill of 2015, published by National Assembly Majority Leader Aden Duale, seeks to establish a financial reporting center with powers to impose stiff penalties and take administrative action against those who withhold crucial information on cases of fraud, money laundering and looting of public resources. These include individuals both in the public service and the private sector, as well as institutions such as banks that could be used to transmit proceeds of crime. The Financial Reporting Center will be responsible for receiving and analyzing reports on suspicious transactions and send such information to relevant enforcement agencies for action. The center, that will be headed by a Director General, will also have the responsibility of sharing information with the National Intelligence Service to facilitate investigations into mega scams. And there are proposed hefty penalties for any person who fails to comply with instructions, directions and rules of the Financial Reporting Center. Such individuals will be slapped with a 5 million shillings fine and a 10,000 shillings interest each day such an individual fails to pay the fine. Corporate institutions such as banks and other financial agencies that fail to report questionable transactions that could be as a result of fraud will be liable to fines of up to 25 million shillings. The proposed law is part of the ongoing legislative and structural campaign to tighten the noose on masterminds of mega corruption. The government has since moved to freeze assets of 8 individuals linked to the 791 million shillings NYS scam. The Assets Recovery Agency has managed to place a caveat on 8 prime parcels of land in the upmarket city estates of Muthaiga North and Roslyn, belonging to directors of companies that were allegedly paid 791 million shillings in fraudulent transactions with NYS. The properties belonging to NYS scam suspects Ben Gethi, John Kagondongo, Josephine Kafura, Charity Wangoi Gethi, Jedida Wangari Wangoi, Sam Mwadime, as well as lawyers Patrick Onyango Ogola and Martin Muthoni Gitonga, cannot be transferred, mortgaged, attached or disposed in any way for the next 6 months, according to the High Court order gazetted by Assets Recovery Agency Director Muthoni Kimani.
We will win this war because we have the legal capacity and tools to fight this war.
The Proceeds of Crime and Anti-Money Laundering Amendment Bill of 2015 will be tabled in the House when it resumes its sittings in February next year. Francis Gashuri, Citizen Business Center.